Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add multiple accounts on Threads. So let's get started. Now in order to add multiple accounts on your Threads application, to do that what you have to do is first open up your Threads app, and after opening it, just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on your profile icon, just tap on the two bar icon which is on the top right. From here you just have to tap on switch profile. After tapping on that, now you'll find add profile option. So I have already added an account, but if you want to add an account, you just have to tap on add profile and you will find the following profiles that are in your Instagram. You can just simply select those profiles and those accounts will be added to your Threads. So after adding your account, now in order to switch those account, what you have to do is just simply tap and hold on your profile icon which is on the bottom right. And after doing that, now you'll find all the accounts that you have added. Now what you can do is just simply go ahead and then select an account that you want to switch to, and after doing that your account will be switched. So this was the other account. I'll just simply select another account and that will be switched. So in this way you can also go ahead and then easily switch your account on Threads. So that's it guys, this is how to add multiple accounts on Threads. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.